now we have parked our vehicle in an inclined position, and this car doesn't have any hill assist, but how to do it using a clutch and a brake if required. So the car has been started, the gear in neutral, handbrake on, my right foot on the brake, I'm disengaging handbrake into first gear. If I remove my right foot from the brake, the car will start rolling backwards. Remember, I have still put the clutch on. Right. How to control this using a clutch, and that is why we need the bite point. When I get the bite point, now my right foot is totally off from the brake. I'm just on a bite point using the clutch into first gear, handbrake disengage. I'm still stand still. However, the road is inclined. Now this is the skill usually new drivers would not get it. You need to practice more, and whatever age of the car is, you don't need a hill assist or incline assist. You can still control this car using just the clutch. This is the use of or importance of bite point. Now let's go. Always watch the mirrors. If other road users are there on the road, let them pass. No hurry. Indicate. Honk. Take it casually, take it gradually, be casual, no need to be rude, just enjoy your drive. Again, in India, honking is very casual and normal. In Western countries, it considered as rude. By the way, if you have any other points, why do we use bite point using the clutch, you can leave a comment on this video. It might be helpful to other learners.